Hello students and welcome to IFAS. So the very much awaited result of AP set is out now. Yes, Andhra Pradesh set result is out. So if you want to check your result, so you can just go on the Andhra Pradesh site. Okay, so you can see here the three links. The first link is for your AP set 2024 scorecard. You can directly see your scorecard. The second link is click here for AP set 2024 final answer key, and the third is click here for AP set result. If you want to directly see the result, you can just click here for the AP set result 2024. Now here you can see there are two options. So the first option is for viewing the result directly. Okay, now if you click on this option, you will get to see your result here. So as you can see, here are the roll numbers which of the students that are qualified AP set exam, yes or no. And if you want to see the cutoff marks, you can go on the second link here. Now you can see the cutoff marks here. So the cutoff marks for AP set 2024. So as you can see, if you are a chemical science student, the general category cutoff mark here is 50.67. Okay, so this is all the cutoff marks for your different types of subject: Hindi, geography, economics, commerce, chemical science, history, anthropology, and everything. Okay, and also you can, if you want to see the, what you can say, AP set 2024 scorecard also, then also you can click here and you can add your hall ticket number, date of birth, and security key, and also you will get your scorecard. Okay, so whatever is your result, so you can share your result with us in the comment section also. So all the best for your result and happy learning.